Namaskaram. Welcome to the Sishyas who have registered with Abhinava E-Pathashala and have procured the Bharatiya Sarabodhani course level 1 and have joined for batch 2. Batch 2 will be commencing on the October 25th. So my heartful and heartfelt swagatam to all of you. I will have to be very clear and I'm very frank in this when I tell that your simple registration and your intent to join a course such as this showcases the amount of importance, love, and regards that you enjoy and you have towards our ancient Vedic civilization. As Saint Tyagaraja says, Yendaro Mahanubhavulu. So you're all people of great repute, scholastic achievements, and immense devotion. So my humble obeisances to all of you. As we are nearing the date, which is October 25th, where the batch is going to begin, I thought I will just share a few suggestions and put forth certain requests to all of you. Please listen to this video even if it is a bit long. First, this batch has dates mentioned on www.desikadaya.org/AEP. There, under the heading of Bharatiya Sarabodhani, batch 2, we have mentioned the dates. I'm just repeating the dates. In the month of October, it is 25th and 31st. November 1st, 7th, 8th, 14th, 15th, 21st, 22nd, 28th and 29th. And in the month of December, it is 5th, 6th, 12th, 13th, 19th, 20th, 25th, 26th and 27th. So there are 3 consecutive days when we reach December, because mostly December 25th happens to be a holiday in most of the countries, in India and other countries as well. So we have clubbed 3 days together. Now, each of these lessons that you will be attending, the e-lessons or the e-classes, will be available for a period of 36 hours only. A simple example. Suppose if it is on October 25th, the first class. So that day, when does the morning start? 12:01 a.m. It's somewhere the midnight, right? 12:01 a.m. till that entire day of October 25th, which comprises of 24 hours, and the next 12 hours, which is October 26th till 11:59 a.m., which is noon. So the entire October 25th plus 12 hours of October 26th, which is 24 plus 12, 36 hours, this 1 hour e-lesson will be made available. Beyond that, it will not be made available. Some of you may have this doubt. Sir, 1 hour class, you're making it available only for 36 hours. Why? Why can't it be made available 24/7 all through the 3 months or the entire year? There is a difference between courses that are being offered in the general platforms and a Pathashala based platform. In a Pathashala, there are rules. Imagine in those days, Vasishtha, when he teaches for 1 hour, the student has to attend for that 1 hour. Imagine the student says, sir, I may not be able to attend. I'll be very, very busy. You make your session available throughout the year. Then the concept of Pathashala goes away. So we will have to prioritize. I'm sure a lot of you will be working professionals, a lot of you parents, a lot of you very elderly people, but you will have to make that 1 hour time. Making time management is not something that I am going to teach because you are all experts at it, without which you wouldn't have risen to these heights in your life. So please make sure that you do spare that 1 hour on a Saturday and 1 hour on a Sunday. Now, this 1 hour class, it may vary between 50 and 60 minutes. This 1 hour class is being made available for 36 hours. So you can listen to it once or 36 times if you want. So any number of times you can listen in that 36 hours. Beyond that 36 hours, it will not be made available for anyone. So we don't make relaxations for anyone, however genuine that reason is. So it is very fixed. For that 36 hours only, this 1 hour class will be made available. Next, If you have registered and procured the class, you attend the class. Please do not share credentials with any of your friends who may also be equally interested. I am not denying or trying to ridicule their interest. They will also have equal interest or more interest than you. But if you have procured the course, you are entitled to listen. That person can of course register himself, because registration for batch 2 is open till the 10th of October. After 10th, there is no registration allowed for batch 2. We won't be having batch 3 after this. So for batch 2, I would request till October 10th, if you have friends who are interested in this course, they can register. After October 10th, there is no registration. October 25th, the classes are going to begin. And once the classes begin, I would ardently request you, only registered Sishyas should attend. Please do not share the credentials with anyone, because piracy may happen in the entertainment industry. They can afford it. But this is completely dedicated to Vedic knowledge. Please do not entertain piracy. Next, my earnest request, do not audio or video record. See, the moment we audio or video record, anyways, in my website and my YouTube channel, you have over 1,200 or 1,400 hours of content in English and in Tamil on a variety of topics made available for free at any point in time. You can listen. E-classes are meant to bring a discipline amongst both the teacher and the student. So you will have to make time and listen, and you'll have to take notes. Get into the habit of taking notes and writing. Please, the moment we audio and video record, it is lost forever. You will have this confidence or overconfidence that it is recorded. Why should I listen? No, we will have to take notes. Do not audio or video record it. If you want to listen to it again, do listen again. Take notes again. There's no harm. Please do not entertain piracy by audio or video recording it. It is my ardent request. This is no rule. This is no condition. It is a request. Next. Most of you have procured the single Sishya package, where you are alone the student. Some of you may have procured this husband and wife, child, husband, wife, child, grandmother. So you will come under this 2, 3, 4, 5 Sishyas packages. Now, despite you having procured 2 Sishyas, 3 Sishyas, 4 Sishyas and 5 Sishyas packages, the login credentials are only one. Suppose there are 2 Sishyas under that package, there are no 2 different set of login credentials. So you have the same set of login credentials. So when you have the same set, you cannot simultaneously log in. For example, the husband and wife in the same house, they cannot log in using the same credentials at the same point in time in 2 devices. Suppose the husband and wife sit together and listen, nothing like it, good. Suppose the husband listens between 10 to 11, he can tell the wife, I am done, you can listen. Now, she can log in with the same credentials and listen. Same login credentials being logged in simultaneously at the same point in time cannot be allowed. As I have requested in many of my videos in the past, these multiple Sishyas packages will be ideal if you're under the same roof. Suppose you have taken a 3 Sishya package. One person is in Australia, one person is in the US, one person is in India. You will have to coordinate amongst yourselves, because the system does not have the capability of allowing simultaneous login. So you can log in at different points in time. So be mindful of this. Now, the classes are going to begin on October 25th. But before that, I would urge all you Sishyas to go to this aep.desikadaya.org, that's the URL, and there your email ID will be your user ID. Keep your password also correct. Log in and check once. If you do not remember your password, there is forgot password. Once you go to forgot password and type your username, which is your email ID, you will receive a mail with the detailed steps to reset your password on your email ID. So I would urge you, do not forget the password. Even if you forget the password, there is a forgot password. Once you reset your password and you have your username and password correct, please keep it somewhere in a written form so that you don't forget. Keep all this ready before the classes begin. Do not wait for October 25th. Now you can log in and check if everything is working fine. But when you go to aep.desikadaya.org, on the left hand side, it will ask, are you a registered Sishya? Then sign in. Then use that username, password. Once you sign in, what will you see? You will see 2 different folders. The first folder will be Bharatiya Sarabodhani Level 1 Batch 2. So click that folder. Once you click that folder, you will find the general rules and regulations. Till October 25th, you will find no classes in it. Do not get panic stricken. So I'm not able to see anything. There won't be anything in it. It is just for the process flow, workflow. Now from October 25th, what you will see 3 sections. E-assessment, E-lesson, which is that E-lesson for that day. That's the 1 hour video that I will be speaking. Then you'll have E-assessment, which will have 5 questions. Now, what if I don't give E-assessment? Nothing wrong. This is not mandatory. But I would urge as a guru to all my sishyas, or I will request, try that E-assessment. It will tell you how attentive you were in the class. Just because you score 2 out of 5 doesn't mean you were not attentive. This is just one of the easiest ways. This assessment is not going to rank you as a person. It is only for your understanding. So there is going to be E-lesson, which is the 1 hour class, the video that you can watch. Second is going to be the E-assessment. Third is E-feedback, where 1 is burst. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is best. So you're going to rate me and my content. Please be very frank. You can rate me on 5 or 1, anything. Some of you may ask, why can't I give a descriptive feedback? It is good. But imagine when we have thousands of sishyas. For batch 1, we had 1648 sishyas. Now, where will I sit and check the feedback of 1648 people? So, easiest feedback is to rate on numbers. So that's the easiest way. Some of you may have some queries or doubts. Again, we don't have any provision for you to raise queries or doubts. You can follow me on my Facebook page, which is Dushyant Sridhar, or YouTube channel, or on my website. If you have questions, you can post it there. I will collate it at some point in time. I will give answer. As a single person, I do not have a large team. Of course, there's an editing team, there is a backend team, but we are all not so adept enough to answer 1600 people. So we don't have that capability as of now. And with respect to the certificate, remember, I've told you many times, this course or certificate may not fetch you a job. This is just for your appreciation of our Vedic knowledge, for your blissful experience. And as organizers, we thought we will give you a certificate of appreciation, which will be a generic certificate. So that will be made available in the last 2 classes, 19th and 20th class. Regarding that certificate, you don't bother now. We'll tell you how to download where. Next, I've spoken about how to log in, forgot password. And one more request is, we will not be extending any time. For example, I was not able to listen. I was caught in the traffic. I had some guests coming over. No. And finally, we will be sending many mails. I'm sure some of the mails will go into your spam or trash. Please do check. You will have a promotions folder, you will have spam folder, trash folder. We do not know how these mails work. So at times you may not receive it in your inbox. Please do keep checking. You don't have to acknowledge. You don't have to say thank you Acharya, thank you Guru, nothing. Because when we receive 1000 replies, again we have to read them. You just have to read it for your information, and have a wonderful time being a part of this course. This is just the beginning. As a team, we want to come up with more courses in detail. For example, Nyaya Shastra, Mimamsa Shastra, Nalayana Prabandha, many more courses. So this is just the beginning. It's just the beginning of our journey. We have miles to go. So I'm sure all of you will be very cooperative with us. And as I've said before, October 25th, keep your username, password, everything ready. Check once when everything is fine, and then you can start listening to the classes. Namaskaram.